Today I'm gonna be doing a double explanation video on two FLIRT trains that will be used on transport for whales. These are the Class 231 and Class 756. We're gonna start with the Class 231. So, the Class 231 is a FLIRT train made by Stadler that has a top speed of 90 miles an hour. It will be used on a long distance route from Mysteg to Cheltenham Spa, and will operate on a route from Ebbw Vale to Cardiff Central. This means it should go well on Connect. But wait a minute, you want the Class 755 on Connect, so why do we also need the 231 on Connect, when it's in the same family? Well, the Class 231 has 4 sets of doors in the front and rear coaches, whereas the Class 755 only has 2 sets of doors in the front and rear coaches. Also, the Class 755 has 3 and 4 coach variants, but the Class 231 only has a 4 coach variant. Also, unlike the 755 which has a yellow front in real life, the Class 231 has a red front in real life, so in SCR, I think the 755 for Connect should have a yellow front like the one on Airlink, and the 231 for SCR should have a blue front. I would most likely use the 231 on routes to Whitefield, Morganstown, Berrily and Port Benton. I used to think the Class 231 would go well on Waterline, but after looking in more detail at what routes it'll operate, I now think Connect would be better for the 231, but since the 755 does regional services on Greater Anglia, I think the 231 could work really well with the 755 on Connect. Now we're done with the Class 231, we're gonna move on to the Class 756. This is also a FLIRT train made by Stadler, but unlike the Class 231, the 756 has a top speed of only 75 miles an hour. These are very unique trains, because as well as an overhead mode and a diesel mode, this can also run on battery power, making this a tri-mode train. It will operate on the Rumney and Vale of Glamorgan lines, which are suburban routes coming out of Cardiff Central, so these would go well on Waterline. Like the 755, this has 3 and 4 coach variants, but like the 231, the front and rear coaches have 4 sets of doors. I would use them on routes to Connolly and Greenslade. That's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for future content, and I will see you later.